Alright, so I just got this all done with the hair dryer. Now it's all dry. That took 10 minutes just to dry it out. And I already ran some wire down the air tube, and I'll show you. I got, looks like little pieces of mud, so this must have been some kind of bee's nest at some point in time. Just stuck in there, and that was probably going to impede with the airflow had I not cleaned that out. But all I did was I grabbed some regular like 20 gauge wire, just fed it down through the air tube and just knocked it all out. I did both sides. They're free and clear and good to go. With no problems whatsoever. It looks like this lantern was black. I guess somebody probably spray painted it at some point in time or painted it. I just don't have a heart to have a black lantern. I think I'm going to paint this one. Got like a really cool Rust-Oleum colonial red. It's going to be a little bit farther on down the line. But the tank on this is loose, like really bad. Like you can just grab it and see how bad that is. And it looks like there's solder or something at these joints, and you can see where it broke away on both sides. So I'm going to attempt to solder those back together. Now, I'm not a soldering expert by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm going to give it a shot here. I fired up my soldering iron, and so nobody's allowed to critique me too bad, but I think the only thing you have to do is just start to wipe that over that, and it will start to get hot and melt down over. Just trying to use what solder was on here. Just to try to stiffen it back up a little bit. I'm going to do this this restoration here in a little bit, and I'll show you guys what I had mentioned in, I think, my first video, how I took oven cleaner, sprayed it into a bag with the lantern, and left it sit overnight. I'm going to do the same thing with this guy here. You know what? That's not working. So maybe that's not solder. I don't know if it is. But I have a little bit of rosin core here. I don't know if that's the right stuff to use or not. But we're going to give it a shot. Yeah, I'm no... Oh shit. No soldering expert. Hey, it looks cool. It's all fallen on the newspaper there. Now it looks like it's starting to go in a little bit. But maybe if anybody can recommend a good soldering video, let me know. Because I guess if I knew how to do this a little bit better, it wouldn't be so bad. But anyways, so I'm going to do that on both sides. I'll leave this cool down for a little bit, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do the oven cleaner. And that's it, and that's that. So that's it for right now. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to do the other side, but I'll be back in a little bit. Thanks.